Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'm so happy you're here. I have so much to show you today. We are gonna have such a good time, but we are gonna kick it off with our Sephora Advent calendar because I'm really excited to get into what we have today. So this is a box out of the box we're gonna open because these are not numbered, but I could see the little fuzzy outside of the box. So it's a scrunchie. How cute is that? A little fuzzy orange scrunchie. So this will definitely be super fun. And then let's look in our box of goodies, well, our tin of goodies, I guess I should say, and see how quickly I can find day number 10. Oh, right on top. Look at that. What a cute little box. Okay, let's see what we have today. This is the all-day hydrator. So this will go with the cream that we got yesterday. Yes, so there might be like a whole line of Sephora brand skin stuff in here. How cool would that be? This says hyaluronic acid all-day hydrator. So very cool. So the next two additions in our Sephora gift bag. I have such a love for Ralph Lauren style and just that whole aesthetic. I think it's so classic and traditional, and you can edge it up a little bit with your personal style, but the pieces are well made, classic lines, and I just love it. Like this shirt I have on today, this is a very oversized striped shirt, but I love the pinstripe. I really like how oversized it is. And I made a mistake when I bought this actually, and I got a size medium. So if you're looking to buy an oversized shirt like this from Ralph Lauren specifically, definitely get your true size because I got a size medium and this baby is big. But you know what this would be perfect for is to put on like over a bathing suit in the summertime, or to go on the boat, or just kind of throw it over your shoulders and have it open as like a third layer with a tank top and a pair of flowy pants underneath. I know I'm talking springtime right now and we are in the thick of winter, but just thinking outside the box on how many different ways that you can wear this shirt. And you could wear this in the wintertime, obviously, too. Throw a sweater on over top of it or a big jacket. I have this styled with my cashmere pants from Quince that I absolutely love. If you haven't gotten your hands on these pants and you're into cashmere and you like the loungewear, these cashmere pants are so good. Next, I wanted to show you this sweater I got in the Nordstrom sale. It is a Lauren by Ralph Lauren, but it is absolutely beautiful. And I have not gotten the opportunity to wear it yet, but I do plan on taking this with me on my trip to New York. And I cannot wait to go to the Ralph Lauren store in New York City. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. If you are into Ralph Lauren, we are gonna go, and I can't wait. But staying on task here. Okay, so this is a size medium, and it's really beautifully detailed on the top here. And it's a boat neck, as you can see. And I styled it with these beautiful trousers that I also got from Polo. And I bought these online, and they came from a store in New York City, which is so funny. Because when you try and find them online, they'll say unavailable, and then you say notify me. And when they find them in store, there can be a store anywhere, I guess in the United States, I'm not really sure. These happen to come from New York, and I had to get them tailored because they were quite long. So make sure you pay attention to the sizing chart and the inseam length, because these are cuffed, so I did have to take them to the tailor. But oh my gosh, and I styled these with a pair of Coach loafers. Now, I got these loafers last year and I wore them one time and they tore the snot out of my feet. So leave me a comment down below if you've had shoes like this that you love, but you've only worn once because they hurt your feet so bad. So I wanted to talk to you about these loafers because I really like them. I'm just so impatient about the break-in time but they're a nice shoe, but look how thick the sole is. So it doesn't really give very much. So there is a solid break-in time. So I want to put these on with like a pair of really thick socks and wear them around the house for a little bit for a while to try and get them broken in, because I really do want to wear these. I really love these. I think they're so classic and smart, and I mean, you can tell I've hardly worn them, but I'm not willing to give up on them yet. Along those same lines, I got this pair of boots. These also have quite a break-in time because they are very stiff. I saw these actually I was watching some influencer, and she was breaking down a Kate Middleton look, and she had on these riding boots, and they are absolutely fantastic. I love the tassel. I love this little detail on the top. These are pricey. I will leave them linked down below. As with everything else that I can find, I'll leave linked down below. These were a spend, but I feel like they're worth it because I will have these forever. They're 100% leather, but I have not given them I have not paid them the attention that they need to get them broken in properly. But I think these would look really cute with these trousers too. This whole outfit would go really good with these boots. But I also want to try these boots with a mini skirt so you can appreciate the tassel detail. And I'll tell you who they are from. I haven't even told you who they're from yet. Oh, they also have this buckle detail. So you can put the tassel underneath the buckle, or you can leave it on top. I think I would prefer to wear it with the buckle, with the tassel underneath the buckle. But these are Penelope Shivers boots. If you can see the embossing in the boot right there. I did get a size 39. They fit perfectly. They're gorgeous on the inside. Nice suede on the inside. So I'm really excited to get these broken in so I can wear them more often, because I had a different pair of riding boots that I got. Do you remember when, what was that clothing company that they would send you a box of clothes? Oh, I can't remember. Leave me a comment down below. I'll remember and leave it linked down below. It's not FabFitFun, that's the makeup. What's the other box subscription that you could get, and you would go on and a stylist, you tell the stylist everything that you like. You could even send them inspo pics, and they would send you a box every month. You could do it on subscription, or you could do it, what was the name of that? I'll think of it and I'll leave it linked down below, or actually I'll probably remember it as I continue through this video, and I'll tell you when I remember it. But these boots, I had a pair of boots from that company, and I wore them out. I wore the sole off those suckers. Now, they weren't as expensive as these, obviously, and they weren't as good a quality as these, but I loved them. That's why I was so excited and thought this was worth the spend for me, because I really do enjoy wearing boots like this on a regular basis under jeans. I wear with a dress, with skirts. I'm going to style these with the dress that I'm going to show you next. I styled those boots with this navy dress that I got from Ralph Lauren also. You can see it still has the tags on it because I haven't worn it yet, but I do want to take it with me on my trip coming up, and I want to be able to wear these boots and this dress with a really beautiful coat over top of it, and even maybe put a sweater or something underneath to stay warm. But look at this beautiful dress. It's got a really nice drop waist here. You can see that drop waist, but it's nice, long, pleated, flowy. This dress was hard to get my hands on at the time because I got this a couple months ago, but I think it's back in stock. So you can get this super easy now. The next pant I wanted to show you were these pants that I also got. They're Ralph Lauren. They're called the Ricky pant. They have a bunch of different colors in this style, and what I really like about this particular pant is that it has an adjustable waist. So you can unbutton this and make the waist bigger or smaller, but you can also put a belt over it too. And I bought these pants to go with this sweater. And sweater is what originally got me on the Ralph Lauren website in the first place. I had wanted this sweater for years. And I don't know what got into me, but one day I just decided I was going to go on the website and I was going to buy it. And then I ended up with a bunch of other stuff because I just love their stuff, their clothes, their style. Even I'll leave my Christmas tree. When we went to shop for our Christmas tree, the jacket that I wore to the Christmas tree place was Ralph Lauren also. So I'll leave that video for you linked up in the cards. But so this sweater with these Ricky pants, oh, I just love it. And I also bought these shoes. Now, I tell you, when I get my hooks in something, I get them in hard. But I bought these shoes. These are not winter shoes, ladies. These are not winter shoes. These are springtime shoes. They're like a flat espadrille. They have no support, nothing, but it's like a Mary Jane espadrille. It is so cute. And I wore them a lot, actually, over the summer. But they just look so cute. And with those Ricky pants on the bottom, I love these. So is this wintertime appropriate? No. But do I love them? Yes. And that's why I wanted to make sure that I showed you. I got these in a size 8. I'll leave the style and everything linked down below. And the last thing from Ralph Lauren I wanted to show you was this cute little polo tee. Classic, classic, classic. I mean, you can't go wrong with a classic polo tee like this. This one does have the blue little horse on it. And so I styled it with the white trousers and those blue shoes. But you could wear these with the black. You could wear these with black shoes. You could wear these with sneakers. This just goes so cute under sweaters. It's a nice first layer during the winter time. But in the summer, this with a pair of jean shorts or Bermuda shorts, all day long. Love it. And I would like to get multiple colors, but this is a classic fit polo, and I did get a size small. If I were to get another classic fit in the future, I do think I will size up and get a medium just because I like them to be a little bit bigger, obviously. I mean, look at the shirt that I have on. That is all I have for you today for this Vlogmas Day 10. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you saw some fun Ralph Lauren pieces that you liked. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you are as inspired by Polo, Ralph Lauren, that whole line as I am. Leave me a comment below of what your favorite piece was. Like this video if you've enjoyed this content. Share it with someone you love if you think they'll enjoy it or find it entertaining. Subscribe to the channel, it really helps me a lot. And I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11.